Oh, so I got a little bit of cabin fever, so I decided to show you how very cold and icy it is right now. This doesn't even make an indent where my rubber boots go. And I'm gonna walk in the water. Probably warmer there anyway. And I'm gonna walk up the creek. It might start snowing, so that'll be the end of the, possibly, unless I can keep the phone from being too wet. Well, this isn't snow again, this is like ice. Let's see the erosion on the bank. It's very, very icy. Everything's very slick, so actually being in the water is not nearly as slick as the trying to walk on the bank would be impossible. But it's a little walk I like to take up the creek. I don't know if you can hear that ice. Here, let me be quiet and show you. See if you can see it. Ice falling. I'm just gonna walk real slow and be careful, because I don't really want to get wet. I'll come up here where the icicles are. That'll be fun to see. Cute little waterfall. See how deep this is. Not too bad. I don't know if there's anything that lives in there. This is a tree that fell down. I think it's still alive. Shoots over the creek. I'll try this longer video just for fun. And this pool, I know, is a little bit deeper. Oh, sorry for the sniffing. A little bit cold out here. It's like, feels like 14 degrees or something, I think it said. Up here. Trying not to slip. I'm not looking at the camera right now. I'm looking at my feet. Truly got some erosion problems here. But that's nature. That's nature. That's kind of cool. Moss is frozen like that, and make a good picture. But I'm doing a video right now, so I'm doing a sliding. We had to go around that log, get over here to the water. Rubber boots don't have the tread that regular boots have, so they're not really made for walking on snow. So cool. Even in the winter time. These rocks. There are no ugly rocks. And I'm just trying to see if there's any crawdads or anything running around. I know I saw a mosquito flying around, even with the snow. It's like, what are you doing? Oh, look at that. That's cool. Can you see icicles? There. Yep. I think I'll go back now. My fingertips are really cold. So I hope you like the video. Share it with everybody that needs to smile. Oh, look at the little bird. Can you see the bird? Oh, where'd he go? Hold still. Where are you? He flew off. There's another one up here. There we go. Get him in the frame. So cool. So please share this video with anyone that needs to smile. Thank you.